class. Good morning, ma'am. Please stand up for today. So, who would like to volunteer to lead the
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. And bring us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
So before you sit down now, kindly arrange your chairs and outside. Give us some pieces of paper. So once again, good morning everyone. So I request Miss Secretary to bring our attendance for today. Again, good morning class, and then how are you today?
Very good,
So
ma'am.
I hope you are doing good, and I hope that you are excited to learn our discussion for today. Before we start, let us have an activity. Today's activity is guess the given pictures by completing the words below. So if you want to answer this, please raise your hand. What is this?
Me.
Bacteria. Bacteria. Okay, that's good. That's right. Next.
Magnifying glass.
Okay, that's good. Ronel.
Fungi.
Okay, that's right. Next. Okay, the next one.
God's near.
Okay, that's right. And last is okay, that's good. Based sa picture na ako i-show in that na ay mga bacteria, fungi, so para sa mga organisms na we cannot see in our naked eye. So, para sa modifying class, it's an example of modifying class against that it can magnify small objects, no? And then ang last here is more siya ako ang ginastadihan. Diba, like ang mga kunyari, diba lang ang kasal. And then, so to further add your knowledge, so we have this another activity. Since the mayroon pa, so ano na lang siya na may hindi ba dahil. So ang ano is, we're going to each members, or wala din na, so muna lang ako ang instruction. So ang ano niya to is, na pag maingon ko og red, itlog mo, then pag blue, itlog. So kung isa itong maiwit or maiwit ko dito or bulingkod, so siya ang mag-answer sa akin question. Para ma-energy lang po yan. Pag maingon ko red means itlog mo. Pag blue, bulingkod. So kung isa yung maiwit o dito or lingkod, siya ang mag-answer sa akin question. So first, based on the pictures that has been shown, what do you think the common development? Blue. Red. Blue.
I guess our topic for today has something to do with our discoveries about the different microscopic entities or something like that.
Blue. Blue. Red. Red. That's right, the microscope ang ito ang topic about the microscope. Third is, what will happen if there is a microscope? Red. Wala pa ang tawanan ko. Ilaw yung tawanan. Sinabi na mo. Okay, balik. Blue. Blue. Red. What will happen if there is no microscope? Well, I think we cannot see those objects that cannot be seen in our naked view. Yes, no, that's right. Very direct and precise yung hangin. Kung wala ang microscope, hindi na kasi ang mga microorganisms na hindi na kita sa itong mata. So, the microscope is to amplify small objects that cannot be seen in our naked eye. So, and last question is, why do you think it's important?
So the importance of microscope, of course, for us to acknowledge how the microorganisms around us live. If there were no microscope, of course, there would be no scientific and medical discoveries that would
Ang importance mo sa microscope is that makalaman mo na, especially sa medical fields mo, like sa museum, na discover ng mga cure or mga diseases. Kaya ito yung mas hindi na ito ang mga before we makita yung video, please pay attention because there is after you watch the video, so mag-answer mo sa
Microscopes are instruments that produce a magnified visual or photographic image to help us to examine small objects and their fine details, which cannot be seen by the naked eye. Light from the light source passes through the condenser, a system of lenses that concentrates the light beam onto the specimen. Light passes through the specimen into the objective lens, which collects all the light coming from the sample and projects a real, inverted and magnified image to the intermediate image plane. The optics after the objective lens depend on how the image is to be detected. If the specimen is to be viewed by the human eye, then an eyepiece creates a virtual image on a fixed plane, which is discernible to the human eye.
Now, after the video, the students will answer the given questions in a one-house process and slightly get one-house process and then answer these questions. What is the video all about? Explain how the light source travels until it reaches the eyepiece. So, just answer directly, and I will give you 3 minutes to answer. Okay, time's up. Please pass your papers on. Okay, thank you. After this, let's talk about objectives. Kindly please read.
At the end of the session, the students should be able to identify the parts of the microscope, discuss the function and importance of a microscope,
And
label the parts of a microscope.
Okay, thank you. So for today, our lesson for today is all about the microscope. First, let us define what is a microscope. A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to see with the naked eye. Microscope is designed to investigate the small objects and structures using a microscope. So, based sa definition niya na explainer niya na mao ni ang instrument na ginagamit nato, especially kapag ay mga laboratory. And traditional instrument is ginayusin siya to examine the objects that are too small and cannot be seen by our naked eye. So, a microscope
have built-in illumination systems.
So kung ang single microscope is nag-use lang siya of single lens, ang compound microscope is nag-use siya ng like na objective lens, focus lens, and illuminator. So ang illumination niya is ang 1,000. So ang kalayan lang nila is ang compound microscope is more on more advanced, and mas ginagamit siya sa kung ang research sa yan na like education side, especially sa mga schools na ay laboratories no, na mga ginagamit ng mga microscope sa mga pinakapang microscope. Which means na nag-provide siya ang mga real high magnified images since taas niya ang magnification. So next is part of the microscope. It consists of mainly three parts. First is the magnifying part, which consists of ocular lens and objective. Second is the illuminating part, which consists of diaphragm, light source, and condenser. And lastly, the mechanical part, which consists of adjustment valve, stage clips, arm, base, rolling nose piece, and body tube. So first is the magnifying part. The part means to enlarge the specimen. So by the word magnifying, or na i-magnify niya means to enlarge the object. The first is posterior or eyepiece. To magnify the specimen either 5, 8, or 10 times, usually indicated as 5 times, 8 times, or 10 times. So ang eyepiece is bawal siya ng which means wala na ito makita ang kanang image at sa atong giras din sa ordinatan ang specimen. Next is the objective. Responsible for forming the primary image and determining the quality of the final magnified image. The objective po is focus lang no? Which means that's like ang lalahing magnification like Drea sa red is 4 times, sa yellow is 10 times, and so on. So patas siya ang magnification. So ang purpose niya na is para ang specimen or ang object na itong pinatanaw is mas clearer or mas real ang pinatanaw silang sa next is the illuminating parts which provide light to the specimen. So diaphragm regulates the amount of light of light direction from where it is concentric metal strips can be adjusted using a lever and close and open aperture. So sa bukod naman mga ano siya is na nag-regulate sa amount of light. So kung sa lang ka makayag or amount sa light kung gusto masunod sa katong specimen na naman sa tag-awon light. Ang sa iris diaphragm is na tinaniya ang pag-pinilit kung i-tinubon winan siya close. And then the third one is that this diaphragm is consists of a circular metal with openings of different sizes that can be rotated from three stages. So, ang kalaian ng pinano is ang structure sa ang sa iris is na commercial kung ano lang ang siyang eye ng mga na-open. While ang this is actually it consists of single of circles with different sizes from small stage to more large. Kung di alam mo na page, gamay lang ang light ng sulod. Kung di ako sa po, okay, sa akin ang mga light ng mga light. So next is the illuminator, a light source usually located in the base of the microscope. It is responsible for shining light on the occupied outside. The illuminator means a light source. Kung ito lang sa mga transfer sa kuha na ano ginagamit para buhayan ang galing specimen para makita natin yung mag-clear. So ang illuminator is na magbulang siya with the base. And the condenser concentrates light on the surface of the molecule. Ang condenser is mauna siya ang part sa kanang microscope sa kanang nag-concentrate sa light which means kanang siya ang nagawa ng focus lang ang suga sa kanang kanina direction na focus lang ang light sa kanang specimen na to. course, it is when naman yung gamitin means ang stage na ginamutaman sa last slide is na nakuha ang effect na mo. While ang sa point and different lab is that simula tayo naman gawin by ang movement. Since kung ano ko yung gamitin, actually last slide sa stage, which means if kapit na ang stage sa objective, dapat hindi ka na dito ma-find kahit para hindi ka dapat ang objective na hindi siya mabangga sa last slide sa objective. Next is the stage. Support the slide and burden present and usually mounted in the last slide is placed for observation. So, ang hindi ganito, mani ang stage and yan ang kinabutang ang specimen or ang last slide. And stage leaves hold the specimen slides in place. They are repeated above the stage. So, for the word click, nani siya kanang means kanang i-hold niya ang so, yan na ikutan ang last slide, then ito siya ang para. Ang purpose sa stage click is para steady or mag-stay lang ang glass na siya mag-record. So the arm is used to carry the microscope from one place to another. So, kapag naman kita no, kung there's a picture as a family but kami, pag-ila na sa lakas pala, ginamitan para magala na ito ang microscope. So, please, guys, the main support of the microscope. So, please, magkaramutan ang please sa baba, promote lang. Which means, mo siya ang nag-support sa whole microscope. Removing no space allows shifting of objectives. So, removing no space is mo siyang lang yung pag the word remote indicates so, ano nga siya? Para ang kunyari, kung mag-notify ka o kanang kung bigyan mo from color to low to high, kung gusto mo mapalitan, ito lang, removing no space para mo mga kanang balik-balik siya or kanang mag-insta o objective. And lastly, the body shoe supports the interior and connects the other part of the microscope. The body shoe, body shoe lang siya ang nag-unit sa eyepiece para kumunit siya sa body niya sa microscope. So, is there any question or queries? So, una itong 3 parts sa microscope.
Magnifying, shielding, and mechanical.
Isa to, ano na eh, communicating. Okay, that's good. So, let's visualization. So, the students will give his or her learning in summarization for important points of the topic. So, is there anyone or would share your knowledge?
So to summarize our lesson about microscopy, a microscope is a tool used to magnify the objects or the organism and allowing them to be seen more clearly. And also it is important for us as educators as we use the laboratory and also sa mga scientific researchers and sa various students.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for sharing your Before we end, let's have this legal report of my total microscope. So, ito na yun siya? Okay, that's right. Please. Okay, that's good. Please. Sorry, please.
Judgmental.
Okay, that's good. Wala na ako.
Revolving nose. Stage, please. Stage.